WNBA 23951. Yeah, that makes two of us. If we get a fever card, we will of course do a random. All right, good luck. For the Sparks, Zia Cook to 99. Vandersloot to 75 for the Liberty. Origins Prototypes, nice. Kate Martin for the Aces. Origins Stories of Elena Deladon. Sky. Maya Moore Lynx. Nalisa Smith Fever, that's a random. Katie Lou Samuelson, that's a random. Jewel Lloyd Art Nouveau jersey for the Storm. Jordan Canada, Atlanta Dream. And rookie jersey auto of Nika Mule, nice for the Storm. With a little love heart. Leave these and then I'll get straight into the random for the Fever. Okay. All right, 5 times on this list. If you're on top after 5, you will get the Fever. Sack and Charlotte, which is going to be Portland in these breaks tonight. Back here. Fever equals that's going to be Andrew Reimers, and he's going to get refunded on that because James listed the wrong team. Fire. Good night for Andrew. And that is it for WNBA 23951.